Guys, I just wanted to show you how you can do some practice on Dr. Frost, particularly with times tables. So when you log into Dr. Frost, your homepage should look something like this. Up the top here where it says practice, now there are key skills or old past papers and things, but near the bottom of the list is times tables. Now if you click on that, it brings up two options. Ignore that advert at the top there. There are two options, either a fixed time, so you've got 30 seconds to answer as many as you can on times table or divide tables. Can you get on the leaderboard, which is underneath? Yep. And then there's also individual practice that you could do. So if you did individual practice, you can choose either which times table you want to do or which dividing table you want to do, okay? Or at the bottom here, you can also do things like practice your square numbers or cube numbers or number bonds to 10 or to 100. Right, but say I wanted to practice the 12 times table. I click on practice. It gets me a clock. You know, I start the clock. 2 times 2, I think, is 25. Oh, I've got it wrong. There we go, 24. Oh, 122, right? Oh, no, it's 121. No, it's not. It's 132. 132. Anyway, right, so I'm trying to talk and think at the same time. So that's something you can do. So times tables, you could, of course, go into key skills is another one you can do. And you can then choose a topic. Okay, so you could go on the left-hand side of the 4 main sort of areas of maths we've got. Although no ratio, I notice. But you could choose some algebra and then go down here and you might go, oh, I want to practice some solving equations. And then you'd have to choose. This one does have a lot more choices. You know, the times table is a bit more straightforward, and let's face it, times tables are absolutely essential. But you might want to practice some solving 1-step and maybe 2-step equations, and then you can click on Start Practice, and you say Interleave Skills. Just don't worry about that. Completion, fixed number of questions. Or could just be, you know, keep going until you want to finish. But a fixed number of questions is good. Maybe choose 10 questions. And it will give you 10 questions to do. I think the answer to that is going to be 11. Submit answer. Yeah, got it right, because I'm awesome. Next question. 5. Oh, I think that's going to be 4. Obviously, I'm not thinking it, I'm actually working it out, yeah? You know, so you get the idea, but let's exit from there. Yeah, abandon task. Yeah, it's fine. But as I said, the times table is a really good one to do. So it's on practice and then times table, and off you go. We've got an email. Sounds exciting. Right, thank you very much.